Here we are again with another Yeezy Day trainer review. If you haven't seen my previous video, it's up there. Just go check it out. As you know from the previous video, I mentioned about we've got two more coming from the Yeezy Day exclusives. We've only got one. The other one's on its way, so watch out for the next review. As soon as it comes, we'll drop the video. But without further ado, let's go. $350. Okay, so the 350 Boost Synth. Now I'm assuming it's synthetic, reflective. I don't know, man. I'm just gonna go for Synth, reflective, or RF. So here we are, the 350 Boost Synth. Now with the reflectivity, obviously on the camera it will look great because we've got the lights on. We need the lights on, right? Because otherwise all you see is my black face, and you need some light on here. So what we will do is on the on foot, I will do on foot of these. So we'll try and do it in some normal light so you can see what it looks like outside. Out the box, I anticipate it to be darker, you know, like a clay bolder pink. That's what it looks like to me on, like, you know, on Adidas / Yeezy. Yeah, but here it's not. It's like a light baby pink, like a soft pink, which again is different, right? I don't own a pair of these. I don't own a pair of this color, you know, footwear. So it's kind of cool in that aspect. What's there to say? Straight away, it doesn't look as reflective as the blacks reflectives do, because even when I was filming the black reflectives, you can see here, you can see it like sparkling, like in your eyes, like dazzling. I'm not getting that from this one. So what do you guys think? Is this something that you wish you'd copped, or are you happy you dropped? You know, I mean, I'm a massive fan of 350, so I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know. I'm gonna try and get as much colours as I can, but we'll see. We'll see where that lands. But anyway, let's go into the on foot. What you think? Yeah, no, poop. What we thinking? What we thinking, man? Are you as excited as I am about them? I don't know, man. Do you know what? It's so I actually love the way that they've done the reflective on these. And to be honest, you know, the blacks and these are the first reflectives I've ever copped, actually. And so I'm a massive fan. I love the threading in between, in between the materials. I think that's just a master touch from Kanye and the Adidas crew. I absolutely love them, guys. Did you manage to cop a pair of those blue ones? Man, I wish I got those blue ones, right? If you did, please, just pop onto starvytrend.com and post up a photo of it, because I want to see what it looks like on, in real life people's, not on the, not on the internet, some dodgy ass review. No, but I want to see them on people's feet, and I want to see the reflectiveness in them, because I think they'll probably be on par with the black ones, for sure. So like I said, we've still got one more trainer coming from the Yeezy Day. Hopefully, fingers and toes crossed, we'll be able to get that out to you on Monday, as they promised the delivery slot for it. Next thing to watch out for as well, tomorrow, so the 8th of the 8th, 2021, it's sneaker day. So there's going to be some crazy drops as well. Be attentive, be on the lookout, keep your eyes and ears open, because the Nike X Dunk Low Off-White are dropping. dropping. You heard it here, dropping between the 8th and the 9th. Just keep your eyes open, and it's by invitation only, which is a bit of a bummer. So hopefully you've been one of those smart guys that's just been logging into sneakers every day and just making sure that you're answering those questions rightly to get yourself up with a chance to win those Off-White specials. But hey, until then, hopefully we can cop one and get invited to one. Nike God's praying. We'll catch you on the other side of another review. Peace out.